drive. The big play of the drive was the 37-yard pass to Latimer. Manning under pressure again, stepping away, and gets clobbered at the 10-yard line by Jaylon Smith. So Manning, everybody covered. That defense doing a great job. The coverage has been terrific on the back end, and it's 4th and goal.
Jaylon Smith was coming, but watch Barkley here get in the middle of the field, and if Eli could see him, had his eyes up, might have had a shot there. Instead, he took an unbelievable shot from Jaylon Smith, and give him credit, that is so perfectly clean. Eli going for the